Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will simply be showing you guys how you can log in to the USAA online banking account. So to do that, you need to have the USAA mobile banking app installed on your device. Once you have the app installed, open the app. After you open the app, you will land on this page where you can see two options that says log on and join USAA. So as we are logging in, we will tap on the log on option here. Now, the app will ask you for your online ID and your password to log on. So on the online ID box, type in the online ID that you are registered to the bank with. And in the password section, type in your password. Once you enter all the credentials, tap on the log on option on the top right corner of your screen. And then you will be logged into the online banking account of the USAA bank. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for other contents like this. Thank you.